I receive a lot of message after posting this video on my start tone if I have the full video. Yes, darling, the full video is here. Let's view. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. How is my lovely friends doing? I hope you guys are keeping safe. If today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. If you like what you see on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your lovely friends, and let God keep blessing you. So let me show you how this pepper soup okra soup is being cooked. Shall we? In a clean pot, add in your cooking water. So I'll be adding half cup of water. Now you can add in your stock water if you have any. Then pour everything inside the pot. I'm recording this video. I have a lot of noise here. I don't have anywhere to record this video apart from this place I am now. Today is 4th of November. Indians are doing their Christmas, which is Diwali. So they are celebrating their Diwali today and everywhere is so noisy. So guys, pardon me and please enjoy this video with me like this. After adding the catfish, now you can add in your blended ingredients. I'm going to list the name of the ingredients I use on this video in my description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Now I just add in the protein. You can always make use of any protein of your choice. Then you can season with any seasoning cubes. I just add in 1 Maggi cube and salt to taste. Then I will give this a gentle stir. Give it a gentle stir because you don't want to scatter any of the passenger. You know what I mean. Now you can add in your washed fish and crayfish. So the fish are already washed and then I will just pour everything inside the soup. Then give it a gentle stir. Remember, we have fresh fish inside this soup, so we don't have to scatter anything. Then give it just a gentle stir and let this to turn to boil for just 5 minutes. Trust me guys, Indians don't joke with this Diwali. They don't joke with it. They celebrate it more than Christmas and New Year. So that is it. After 5 minutes, it has turned to boil. Now you can add in your chopped okra. So here is the okra. I will be making use of this. Okra is already chopped. Then I will add everything inside the soup. This is just a simple one, guys. This okra, we are not cooking it more than 5 to 6 minutes. This okra is ready. After me adding everything, I will just take my spatula and give it a very good stir. Just gentle stir, as I said earlier. Just give it a gentle stir and make sure that everything gets combined. Today now I have more than 5 to 6 invites from my family friends that is Indian. I don't really know how I will share myself today. You can see after some minutes that the okra is getting changed. You can see that. Just look at this soup. Now you still have to give it a stir and it's going to be gentle, my darling, so that we will not scatter the fresh fish on it. As I told you guys earlier, I'm dropping the names of the ingredients in my description box because now I've already added my pepper soup spices. It's one of the ingredients I blend together with my peppers. So now it's time for me to add in the mushroom. Just look at this mushroom. It's already washed with clean water. Now I will just turn everything inside gently and give it a gentle stir. Just take a good look at this mushroom and take a good look at this soup. Everything is getting combined. I will just give it a gentle stir and still give it some 3 minutes to cook. Sometimes I will be asking myself, Indians and Nigeria, which people do ceremony pass? My dear, I think the answer is Indian. Indians like to do celebration in any given time. They like to do celebration. They like party. They like to celebrate everything they do. But Indians don't celebrate burial. Anybody that died, they don't do burial for that person. Like they don't call party, call family, let's enjoy or let's cook rice or let's do party because this person is gone. No, they don't do that at all. 5 minutes of cooking this soup is complete now. My people, this soup is ready. The soup is ready. The okra pepper soup is ready. Just a simple one, guys. You have cooked your okra pepper soup. This does not waste much time in the kitchen. Just simple and easy recipe. You can enter kitchen and prepare for the family anytime, any day. So that is it, my people. At this process and at this point, we are done cooking this okra. I'm just turning off the gas right away. Actually guys, this is not my soup to eat. No, it's just for my customer for the weekend. So this is one of the food I cook for my customer for the weekend. So because people are asking for the video and I have some of it, so that's why I say let me share it to my lovely friends how the soup is being cooked. So that is it, my people. I'm just turning it over for the container, and yeah, it's ready to serve my customer. So that is it, my people. If you enjoy watching this simple and easy recipe, don't forget to share this video. Drop your comments how you feel about this my short and simple okra soup, pepper soup, okra soup at that. If you like the process, drop it in the comment section, and if you like the outcome, drop it in the comment section. I will be leaving you guys for now, so let me see you in my next one. So let me go and prepare for my Indian Christmas. So we are doing Christmas today in India, so I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.